Hey guys, it's your girl Vian and welcome to my space. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you have been here before, I hope you have already subscribed. Well, on today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do your false strip lashes. Yes, it's a very easy thing to do, but yeah, I'm just gonna teach you. For those who do not know, this might be helpful to you, and at the same time it's gonna be story time. Well, have you ever had an embarrassing moment in your life which was funny at the same time, but at that particular time it was really embarrassing, but now that you think of it, it's really funny? Well, yeah, let's talk about that as we learn and laugh. So what you need while putting your false lashes, number one, of course, you need the lashes. Well, these ones I've already used them before. Please guys, don't look at my nails, forgive them, I haven't made my nails. So you need the lashes. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. You need the lashes. We are doing the strip lashes, so that's a strip lashes, a strip lash. The next thing you need, of course, a glue. I don't even know this brand, I don't know what that language is, but whatever lash you have of your choice, just use it. There goes my lash glue. And of course you need a hand mirror. Yeah, so I have this hand mirror. So the first step, you take your lashes, make sure they are clean. I haven't had time to clean mine. Make sure that strip is clean, this part. I haven't had time to clean mine, so I'm gonna use them that way because I'm going nowhere anyway, so I won't be scared of them falling off and not being intact. But if you have time, every time just make sure you clean your lashes. So you take your lashes and your glue. So take your glue and your lash and press the glue. Some glue will come out of it, and just apply on the strip. Do not apply too much, also do not apply too little. And then make sure on both ends, I don't know if I'm clear, yeah, there. So on both ends, make sure the glue is a little bit more than the center, just for it to hold firm. Then you can blow it. Yes, and put that aside for it to just dry a little bit. Reason why you don't put the lash immediately after putting the glue, because before it dries a little bit, it's too messy. If you've already put your eyeshadow, if you put the lash in an incorrect place, it becomes so messy. So you can see the lash, the glue messes the eyeshadow that you've already put on your eyes. So yeah, it's only wise that after putting the glue you let the lash to dry. Yes, and as we said on the first one, you put a little bit more on both ends, then you put it on the side to dry. Well, as we are waiting for that to dry, then well, we can talk about the most embarrassing day of my life. I haven't had one, I've had several. But I just thought of this one and I thought it's funny and we can share about it. Well, I really love music, I really love music, but I'm the type of people who are really scared because I'm not sure how people will take me, not me per se, but my voice and what have you. So when I was growing up, I remember the first time that I realized that I loved music and I could sing. We had gone for a camp and there's this lady who led praise and worship. It was a church camp, and she sang so well, I couldn't get enough of it. So later on, when I was just alone, I just started trying to imitate how this lady was singing. She was called Shiko. She sang so well. I can't really remember the song right now. Okay, I can't remember the exact song, but I remember practicing over and over and over again, and I did exactly like she did, and I was really impressed with myself. So many a times I wanted to sing before people, but I had this fear of will people think my voice is good enough? Like, will I perform well? And I used to practice so much when I was by myself. So one day I told myself I have to gather courage and sing before people. So on Sundays, during Sunday school classes, they used to give us opportunities. If you have a performance, you perform whatever you have, be it a memory verse, be it a song, be it a poem, whatever you had, you just were given an opportunity. So on this particular day, I practiced by myself. I was gonna sing the song Ballo Girl, the song Never Alone by Ballo Girl. So I practiced to my fullest, and I knew I was gonna kill it. So Sunday came, and they kept asking who has something to perform, and I was just there hesitating. And finally, when they were about to close that session, I raised my hands. Oh my, wow. So I went to perform. I have never sung so bad in my entire life. That performance was pathetic. Have you ever been in front of people? You've already made a move. You want to run, but you can't because you already started. So I started so well. Not like so well. I started mediocre, and I wasn't singing well. I was like, I waited for you today, but you didn't show up. And inside of me, I'm like, oh wow, Vian, you've just started wrong. How are you going to rectify this? I want to stop, but I can't. The good thing is that people knew this song, so they were singing along. As if that wasn't bad enough, the song came to the climax. I don't know why I didn't stop at it. I just felt I had to go to the climax, and I was there. You told me to call, sing your behavior, and though I haven't seen you, I used there. I cried. My goodness, I felt as if I could come out of my body and just run. That was the most embarrassing day of my life, and I could see in people's faces they really wanted to laugh, but they didn't. So I finished my song. People were good enough because they clapped for me, and yeah, I went back to my seat, and Sunday school was over. Then after Sunday school, I can never forget, there's this guy, his name was Humphrey Joe. He just came to me and he was like, Vian, music, not for you. That was an ouch moment for me, because I was seeing myself in big events like America's Got Talent, TPF, and all those. And then someone comes and tells me, singing, not for you. I laughed about it, but deep down it really cut me deep, and he was just being genuine. I didn't perform, but people gotta tell you the truth. And I told myself I was gonna work on being better. I was gonna work on my confidence before a crowd. Right now I can say I'm better, but I'm still not there. But that is one of the most embarrassing moments in my entire life, and I just can't take it back. It happened. So yeah, I hope you loved that story. Well, our lashes are dry. we're gonna go back to the lashes immediately because I don't want to see you laugh at me. So some people who use the tweezer to put the lashes, but for me, I feel it's too much work for me. I just can't. Well, this is what I do. I make sure I have already brushed my natural lashes, which I already did, but let me just show you again. There goes my brush. So I brush the lashes to make sure they are all facing the correct direction. Then I take the false lash and put directly above my natural lashes. I hope you can see. Directly above. Can you see? It's very easy. Very, very easy. See? Make sure it holds your eyelid well. Keep pressing it until it holds your eyelids. Sorry, not lashes, your eyelids. I hope you're seeing it well. Also, when you're putting your lashes, make sure the gap between your natural lash and where you're going to put the strip of the false lash is not too big, because if it's a large gap, someone will be able to see the difference, you know. Yeah, so make sure it's almost as in like just above your normal lashes for it to look natural. But of course, these are too dramatic, they're not natural. But yeah, you see how good they look. I hope you can see. So let's go to the next lash. Have I over zoomed myself? Hope not. I don't know how to put it direct to the camera. Above your lashes, guys. Don't make a mistake of putting it on the lash itself. Put it above the lashes for it to have for it to hold and have a natural look. Yes. Then remember to press until it holds your lid well. I hope I'm explaining well, because I don't know, this tutorial thing is a new thing for me, but I'm trying. I hope I'm doing justice in the explaining part. Yes. So can you see on this side there's a gap? That's the gap that I'm talking about. There's a big gap between my normal lash and the false lashes, so someone is able to see. So I'll just press it down. Some people use a tweezer like I told you, but for me it's too hard. I find it easier using my fingers. Yes, guys. Sorry, I keep looking at this side screen because I want to see if you can see it well. Yeah, and there goes my lashes, guys. There goes my lashes. It's that easy. It's that easy, guys. I hope you love that tutorial. I just hope you like it. I'm really sorry I keep looking on the side. I just want to see if you guys can see it well. That's why I'm looking on the side. Yours. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved the tutorial, and I also hope you loved the story. Well, I still don't have enough confidence. I'll have given the story in a better, funnier way, more detailed, but yeah, I just hope you liked it. Well, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, share with people, invite your friends, invite your sisters, invite your neighbors, invite everyone who you know might enjoy this video. And I'll soon be doing hair tutorials like this one. It was an easy style that I just did for myself, like right now, for the sake of the video, and I'm gonna undo it immediately because mother duties. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Lots of love.